So, real quickly, I do want to say I loved how they handled Audrey in Descendants 3. I knew immediately I had to do a look based off both versions of her from the movie because they did switch her up. And so I knew I had to.
So I forgot to actually film an intro, so I'm just taking this from another video that'll be coming out shortly. But I knew I had to do two Audrey looks, and I just had to have fun with it. So enjoy!
Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my primer and everything, and I set it using creme brulee by Wet n Wild. I'm sorry, I'm really tired because for some reason I woke up super early, wasn't able to fall back to sleep, so I'm just like dead. Anyway, today we're going to be using the new Celestial Storm by Dominique Cosmetics, which this is just gorgeous, and once you get to the inside, it's even more gorgeous. Hello, hi, I love you. um, Honestly, that's the one thing I can say about this palette. It's like as soon as I saw it online, I was really just like, I need that. So day one, ordered. Anyway, for Audrey, I'm mainly gonna play with the pinks, and then I'm gonna do some blue like liner because she goes more for pink and gray, a touch of purple. And there's no real blue to signify her previous form, so I'm gonna start with Lucid Dream and take that high into the crease. Also, I believe this is the first I think this is the first Dominique palette that I have that has pressed pigments. Hold on, let me check that real quick. So yeah, both of my other Dominique palettes, the Berries and Cream and the Rustic Lamb, which, hold on, let me get these out of their slips. So both the Berries and Cream and the Rustic Lambs are just pure eyeshadows. This is the first one that I have from Dominique that is pressed pigments. Has pressed pigments, let me phrase that. And so I'm going to be a little cautious because I know, I'm sorry, this is still my favorite Dominique palette because just the colors are gorgeous. This one's also really pretty, but for some reason the Berries and Cream just has like a special place in my heart. So yeah. Actually, I was going to see, there's not a lighter pink, so even though I don't like doing it, I'm going to dip real quickly into Wildflower from the Rustic Lamb, just for a transition shade. So this nice light pink, I'm going to take that high. Oh wait, I can just use my blush, never mind. Okay, so for transition, before we go into those brighter shades, I'm going to take my Steve Lauren blush, which is in the shade Rose All Day. I'm going to take that and put that high into the crease as a transition. Now that we have that base shade in, even though it looks very, very pale on camera, I'm going to dip into Lucid Dream, which is one of the pressed pigments. You have three, which is Lucid Dream, Electric Amethyst, and Astral Lust, Astrid Lust, if I remember correctly. Let me check that one more time. So those are your three pressed pigments. The rest are eyeshadows. So again, I'm going to dip into Lucid Dream just to lightly go just below. Party, my favorite blush, and then we're just gonna use that to blend out that color. Okay, now we're gonna go into Astrid Lust and lightly place that just below Lucid Dream. That purple lays in so quickly and looks so nice with this pink. Now I'm going to take Zero Gravity and place that just right into the crease. Okay, so I'm liking how it's looking, but it's not as deep as I want it to go. I'm going to dip into my magnetic palette where I have my eyeshadow singles. I'm going to go into Black Lace by Sephora collection just to deepen the outer third of the eye. Okay, I'm going to go reshape my lid off camera, come back, and they're most likely going to take, I had to take black matter and place that on the lid. And then possibly some electric amethyst as well. So we're going to see how I do that.
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Okay, so that looks really fun. Can you? So there you can see it's really fun. So on camera, this shade is looking more blue. In person, it looks really purple. And this black is just gorgeous. Okay. I'm gonna go do that on this eye. Come back with a full face and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back and I did apply some liner. And the liner is actually the jelly eyeshadow from Wet n Wild in the shade Something Blue. Face is on and let's continue. I also don't know what shades I want to take on the lower lash. Honestly, I'm thinking I might take Zero Gravity, a little bit of Astrid Lust, and maybe some Mystic Ice. Then again, I feel like I have enough blue on there, so let's just see what we're gonna do. Honestly, if you can't tell, I really am just winging this, just seeing how it's gonna go. But I'm really enjoying the look so far, so not complaining. Okay, I have to take some Zero Gravity because that Astrid Lust is not doing much. Okay, so for the inner corner, I think I want to take a little bit of Stargaze and place it again in the inner corner. So let's see. That is more of a topper, so that's not showing up. So instead, I'm going to go in with Solstice. I'm going to real quickly run a black on my waterline and then we're going to come back for the lips. Okay, and now we're going to go onto the lips, and today I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild. This is the shade Deviant Damsel, and this is from the Rebel Rose collection. I don't think I even swatched this shade, so this is going to be fun. Okay, so I need to let that dry real quickly. We're going to do another coat. Okay, so this is still drying down, but it's looking good. But I want to add a little something on top. So I'm going to take this Diamond Crushers in the shade Heirloom and place it on top. And you might be wondering, okay, then so if I'm not talking about that brand, why am I talking about this one? The founder is no longer with the company, and so I'm more inclined to try this. Plus, I got it at TJ Maxx, so I didn't pay full price. So there's that. Okay, so that was fun. I'm actually really liking that. Okay. I'm going to real quickly set my face, let down my hair, and I'll be right back. Plus, I'm going to get a crown because I had one made for this. Okay, and here we are with the final look, and I love how this looks. I will say I know I'm doing a foundation wear test, so I'm going to be most likely swapping out the lip for something a little bit lighter. But I really like this. I feel like it fits the evil Audrey that we get in Descendants 3. And yeah, I actually had to run out because, again, I'm doing a wear test and I actually had an appointment I need to get to. But I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click that little bell button. It's every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I don't know what to say, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye! I want what I deserve!